So, hey everyone, so today we are solving the problem number 206. So, the question is the reverse linked list. So, this question is rated easy. So, let's understand what's being asked here. So, we are given an head of a singly linked list, and our job is simple reverse it. So if the nodes were pointing forward, we want all those pointer to point backward instead and then return the new head. So let's walk through the example. So here the example is given the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we want to reverse and the give output is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So here the every node that was pointing to the next one now the point back to the previous one. The tails becomes a new head and the old head becomes the new tail. So pointing to null. So now let's move to the approach. So basically what will be the our approach? So to reverse a linked list, we only need three pointers. So first one, previous, current, and the next. And at each step, we redirect the current pointer to the previous instead of forward. So now let's move to the code first. So what is the code here? So we have given a so here will become list node pointer will be next. Sorry, the previous will be the null. So the initial will be the null pointer. The next node will be the list node. Current will be the head of the pointer. So now we will iterate through the list and the flipping each pointer. So we will initialize a while loop. So if the current will be null ptr, so we will list next node will be current pointed to next, and the current will be pointed to next, and it will become previous. So now previous will be the current one, and the current one will be the next one. So now we will return previous value. So let's run this code first, if it is working or not. So you can see the code is working. So hope you understand the question. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you guys.